Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a charming Babysitter layout pack with 8 different pages. These pages will provide everything your designer will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Now let's take a quick look at the different layouts that come along with this Babysitter layout pack. So we have a home page, a landing page, a services page, a profile page, a team page, a booking page, a contact page, and a blog page. And now let's scroll through these different layouts so you can see what they look like once they're installed on a WordPress website. So as you can see, there are a ton of free illustrations included, so you can use these without any restrictions to create your own Babysitter website or any other type of website you'd like to create with this layout pack. Then we have the team page over here. And you can actually use a profile layout in combination with the team page to create different profiles of the babysitters that work at your company. And then we have a booking page as well. And there's also a contact page with all of the needed elements. And last but not least, there's also a blog page. Alright, so let's go back to the home page, and if you want to make some modifications to this layout over here, just enable the visual builder. And you can change the layout entirely by going to the plus icon over here. And there are a bunch of layout packs over here that you can find in the pre-made layouts tab. Just scroll down, go to the Babysitter layout pack. And as you can see, all of the layouts are included over here, so you can just simply upload them. Or you can take a look at the live demo first, for instance, of this homepage layout. All right. So you can see everything in real time, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to use it for your website or not. And once you decide on it, you'll have to provide an authentication, and if you want to avoid this, you can simply go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi, theme options, move on to the updates tab, and make sure that you enter your username and API key over here so you won't have to do that again within the Divi library. Alright, so you can make all kinds of modifications to these layouts. You can change the colors according to your needs. And one of the new features that came out recently are the section dividers, so you can play around with these as well. So each layout within this layout pack contains these section dividers, but you can modify them. You can choose whichever you think matches your pages best, and you can play around with the horizontal repeat and with the flip option as well. And of course, you can change positions of each and every module within this layout pack. And of course, you can change all of the content of every module within this layout pack as well. Well, that was all for this video. We hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.